So, you want to avoid taxes? Congratulations, you and every billionaire on the planet have the same dream. But unlike them, you don't have an army of accountants, lawyers, and beautiful art pieces to get you some huge write-offs. But don't worry, I got you. In this video, I'll show you how to avoid taxes the legal way and brag to your friends and say you've made it in life. But first, please like and subscribe because I need to beat this guy by the end of the month. Method number 1, open retirement accounts. Do you want to pay less taxes and still sound responsible? Throw your money into a retirement account like a 401k or a Roth IRA. Then Uncle Sam will let you dodge taxes, and here's how it's done. A 401k lets you put money in before taxes, lowering your taxable income now. A Roth IRA makes you pay taxes up front, but lets you withdraw everything, tax-free later profits included. Either way, you're winning, and you choose between getting taxed today or scamming future you to take care of it. Method number 2, start a business. Rich people don't have jobs, they have businesses. Start an LLC, and suddenly everything you pay for becomes deductible expenses. That laptop you bought, business expense. That overpriced Starbucks order, business meeting. That work trip to Hawaii, research and development. And just like that, congrats. You just turned tax fraud into business optimization. And remember, it doesn't have to be a real business, it just has to look like one. Method number 3, buy real estate. Landlords get tax breaks that look so ridiculous to the point where I don't even know if it's legal. But until it's not, here's how to copy them. Buy a rental property, rent it out, and then tell the IRS it's somehow losing money. Then call it depreciation. This is how your landlord pays less in taxes than you. If you still don't get how broken this method is, here's another way of putting it. You buy a rental property. The government lets you pretend it's losing value every year. You still collect and even raise rent. And then you still write off the loss for massive tax deductions. So even though you're making money, the IRS sees you as a struggling property owner. Meanwhile, your bank account is laughing. Method number 4, use tax loss harvesting. Did your stocks or crypto crash? That sucks. But good news, you can use those losses to lower your tax bill. Sell your investment at a loss. Use those losses to cancel out your actual taxable gains. Then buy the asset back later. Then boom, you decrease your taxes. It's like punching your brother, and then once he hits you, go tell your mom, and after she sells him, you'll feel like you won, but at what cost? This one is pretty straightforward, but it's not easy to willingly lose money to save money. Method number 5, move somewhere that doesn't hate you. Some places take half your paycheck, others take 0%. If you hate taxes, consider moving to Florida, Texas, or Nevada. No state income tax, but there's a high chance of just hurricanes, desert heat, and lots of cowboy hats. You can also move to Puerto Rico, a U.S. territory where you can legally pay almost no federal taxes if you qualify for Act 60, but you better like humidity and iguanas, or if you're feeling really bold, renounce your citizenship and move to a tax haven. But that's a permanent decision, so maybe start with Florida first. And finally, our last method is to just be a billionaire. At some point, tax loopholes stop working and you need to unlock the next level. To do this, you need to hire a team of accountants, set up offshore shell companies, and buy politicians, allegedly. But you really only need to do that last part. The ultra-rich don't avoid taxes, they reprogram the tax code. Just ask Jeff Bezos, who once paid $0 in federal taxes while his company made $11 billion in profit. The difference between tax evasion and tax avoidance is one gets you a yacht, the other gets you jail time. Choose wisely, and if the IRS watches this, just know I'm not suicidal. Please subscribe so I can reach 50 subscribers, and thanks to this guy for suggesting this video. Have a good one, and see you on the next one.